It's just 2 hours to Salem, Oregon. Here we go.
Keep your nose and mouth covered for the duration of the flight.
That's Balboa Island, the Balboa Peninsula, and Lido Island.
Once you prepare to descend into Willamette, please introduce you to keep the seatbelt fastened during the flight. We'll have you on ground here just about 15 minutes from now.
Portland, Oregon, here I am. Interesting little airport. It's a little more crowded than some, but nothing like before the pandemic. Oregon State Capital, Salem. We're in downtown Salem at Archive Coffee and Bar. And we're having a few cocktails and a coffee. What's this coffee called?
It's called Nitro Brew.
It comes out of a tap and it's coffee. Tastes real interesting.
This is the historic district where all the original homes of Salem are. It's a very expensive neighborhood, that's for sure.
My son made me fresh Lavazza espresso. Yum! Here in the Simmons free B&B. My son and daughter-in-law just ordered these gluten-free donuts from Benny's Donuts.
Yep, Benny's Donuts.
They're supposed to be really tasty. Oh, they're vegan too.
Gluten-free vegan.
Yum! This is a cherry tree. I've never seen one this large. I've actually seen them in the fields. They're all over this region of Oregon. Are they? And where are we at your house?
We're in Salem, South Salem.
And my kids even have one in their backyard. It's huge and they're beautiful. They're everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna do my morning walk here. How gorgeous is this? I think I'm liking Salem. Here we go. Oh my God, look at this. I mean, there's just these pine trees everywhere and it's so gorgeous. Love the fresh air. So nice to get out of the city. Orange County's beautiful, but oh my God, it's so crowded and polluted, noise pollution, air pollution, unless you're at the beach, which we do often, but this is just walking out the front door. Love it. Woodmansey Park. Here we go to do our cardio. Oh my, this is quite lovely.
A Frisbee golf course.
A Frisbee golf course? Oh my God, how cool is that?
This is one of the holes or whatever. Yeah, those are
Wow.
the nets. You gotta throw your Frisbee into nets.
I haven't even heard of Frisbee golf in years, since I was a kid.
Huge in Southern California now.
What do? Put the Frisbee, it needs to land in there?
Yeah, it needs to land in this. You throw it, it hits the chains, and then it falls in, and that's our goal.
Oh, well, how about that?
I don't know parks like this in Orange County.
No, we certainly don't.
There was a massive ice storm, and because all the trees and everything in town are 100 feet tall like this, and all of our electricity is above ground, they all the branches got so heavy they broke and tore down, and all these neighborhoods around here had no power for 7 days, and that's a piece of the damage. Look at that 100-foot tall tree got so heavy it fell over and ripped out of the ground. Like half of Salem had no electricity, and then in Portland it was so bad and people were so cold that they were lighting fires inside their houses.
Oh my.
And houses were on fire all over Portland surrounding areas for a week.
Oh my God. A bridge over the little creek. Kringle Creek? Chris Kringle. Kringle Creek.
Pringle like the chips.
Pringle.
Pringles.
Look at this fuzzy stuff on this tree. Very interesting. Bread toast and jam. Salem, as well as Portland, has the coolest little restaurants. I think the food's gonna be really good here. We'll find out. Too bad I'm not drinking, because these specialty drinks, some of them are $6.50. They look amazing. Listen to this. Ruby red vodka, lime, ruby red grapefruit juice. Yum! Okay, this food looks amazing. I have a vegetarian Eggs Benedict on gluten-free toast. This is gluten-free toast. It actually looks like homemade gluten-free toast. I love the food options. I just love this.
Well, behind the scenes for Instagram here.
Behind the scenes of my new intro to my Travel Tips Tuesday. Woohoo! Woo! Welcome back